turn off hidden offensive words. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do that on Tweets. So first thing all you need to do is go to your profile by clicking on here and then click on this icon and click on hidden words. So here guys, all you need to do is you have here offensive word and phrases. All you need to do is click on off and turn off hide replace that contain offensive words, phrases or emojis, and now you can see it on Tweets. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.